welcome back to Wild and Hooked. Now I know what you're thinking. I'm not by the river, I'm not in the woods, I'm in my backyard. Honestly, it's way too cold to go out fishing right now. My fingers would probably freeze right to my fishing rod. But just because I'm stuck at home doesn't mean I can't have adventure. So today I'm making epic Christmas dinner, Wild and Hooked style. On the menu I got this beautiful wild caught salmon I bought from supermarket, and I got a whole duck, and I'm going to cook it all right here on my trusty charcoal smoker. So let's get started. First up, the salmon is the most important step. I need to cover this thing in salt, and I mean a lot of salt. Don't be shy. It looks like way too much, but trust me, this is what makes the fish firm and super tasty later. Okay guys, I put lots of salt on my salmon, and the duck is easy. I bought it pre-seasoned from the store, so it's already good to go. Alright, our salty salmon is going in the fridge for 2 hours. While it's chilling out, I can get the fire ready. Okay guys, I think it's time to start the fire. My charcoal is getting ready. Started fire so well. It's getting white and glowing. Now I can prepare my salmon for smoking. I'll just get it out of the fridge. Oh wow, you see all the water coming out of it. This means the salt is doing a good job. Now I need to give the salmon a good rinse. To wash all the salt away. Okay, I got my fish washed. I just need to dry it up as much as possible. Okay, looking nice. Now just get it ready for seasoning. Okay guys, I got my salmon seasoned with garlic. I got some pepper on it. And I got some fish seasoning. It's looking very nice. Should be good. I'll just put it on a grill together with the duck. And then I'll start smoking. Okay, the charcoal looking nice. White and glowy. I got a beautiful duck and salmon on the grill. My barbecue is just getting up to the temperature. Let's get it out. Cover on. I soaked some wood chips I chopped before. I'll just put them in there to get a very nice smoke in there. I'll just add a couple more on the side as well. Just to get the things going. Okay, just close it up. And I'll leave it for about 1 hour. Then I will come back and check on it. Okay guys, I got my smoker smoking for about 1 hour. Just have a look. Yeah, it's looking good. I'll just check on my charcoal. I got a beautiful potato, large one. I'll just wrap it up in foil and put it inside. Close it up and leave for another probably 1 hour. Okay guys, my smoker looking nice. Let's just check on it. Wow. Yeah, it's looking lovely. Let's check in there. I'll just add some more wood chippings in there. Yeah, looking good. It's looking amazing. Okay guys, let's have a look. I think my meal is done. I'll just get it out. Yes, looking lovely. Okay guys, I think it's time. The moment of truth. Have a look. Just look at that. This is a Christmas dinner right here. The duck skin is dark and crispy. Salmon has a beautiful smoky glaze. I wish you guys could smell this. I'll just peel a bit off. Wow, it's so juicy and flaky. You can get the perfect smoky taste that just melt in your mouth good. Okay, now for the duck. The skin is perfectly crispy. The meat is so tender. That is absolutely delicious, rich and smoky and just perfect. I'll give it 10 out of 10. And my baked potato is looking amazing. Just have a look at this one. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope this inspires you to get outside and cook something awesome. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. And let me know in the comments what you're cooking for Christmas. Have a great holiday everyone, and until next time, stay wild.